Hey there, design enthusiasts! Welcome back to Fixing Expert, your ultimate guide to all things interior design and home improvement. Today, we're shedding light on a crucial aspect of interior design: lighting. Getting the lighting right can truly transform your space, but it's easy to make mistakes if you're not aware of the rules and principles. So, let's dive into lighting your space, avoiding mistakes and following rules in interior design. Mistake 1: Insufficient lighting. One of the most common mistakes in lighting design is insufficient lighting. A dimly lit room not only affects visibility but also makes the space feel dull and uninviting. It's crucial to assess the natural light available and supplement it with appropriate artificial lighting sources. Rule 1: Layered lighting. Now let's talk about a fundamental rule in lighting design: layered lighting. Layering different types of lighting, ambient, task, and accent creates depth, visual interest, and flexibility in adjusting the lighting according to the room's function and mood. Mistake 2: Poor fixture placement. Another common mistake is poor fixture placement. Placing fixtures randomly or without considering the room's layout and function can result in uneven lighting, glare, or shadows where you don't want them. It's important to plan the placement of fixtures thoughtfully. Rule 2: Proper fixture scale. A crucial rule to follow is proper fixture scale. Choosing fixtures that are too large or too small for your space can throw off the balance and aesthetics. Consider the scale of your room, ceiling height, and furniture when selecting light fixtures. Mistake 3: Neglecting dimmers and controls. Neglecting dimmers and lighting controls is another common mistake that can limit your flexibility in creating the desired ambience. Dimmers allow you to adjust the brightness of lights to suit different activities, moods, or times of day. Rule 3: Consider color temperature. Color temperature is an important consideration in lighting design. Different light sources emit varying color temperatures, from warm tones to cool daylight hues. Understanding color temperature helps create the right atmosphere and ambience in your space. Mistake 4: Overlooking natural light. While artificial lighting is essential, overlooking natural light is a common mistake. Natural light not only saves energy but also brings a sense of connection to the outdoors and enhances the overall aesthetic of your space. Rule 4: Balance lighting with daylight. A rule to remember is to balance artificial lighting with daylight. Coordinate your lighting design to complement the natural light available throughout the day. This ensures that your space remains well lit and comfortable without relying solely on artificial sources. And there you have it, our guide to avoiding lighting mistakes and following essential rules in interior design. Lighting plays a vital role in creating a welcoming and functional space, so take the time to plan your lighting design thoughtfully. If you found this video helpful or have lighting tips to share, we'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more design insights, tips, and expert advice. Thanks for tuning in to Fixing Expert, where we brighten up your design journey. Until next time.